But what I do want to show you guys is this cute TV stand. So I hinted at the TV stand a little bit in the previous vlog. So let me give you guys a full tour of the TV stand. It is stunning.
So I went ahead and inserted the clip of my husband assembling the TV stand because I wanted you guys to hear the raw commentary between my husband and my son and their thoughts on the TV stand. And then we will come back and I will share my thoughts with you guys, as well as a little bit of decor. So again, thank you so much, POVISON, for sending this amazing TV stand.
Guys, this is from POVISON. I'm obsessed. It's channeling all of my mid-century modern dreams, okay? The other one that we had was more kind of traditional, contemporary, and in some spaces it could lean farmhouse, and that just was not the vibe. So let me give you guys a tour of this stand. It is so good. All right, so as we get a little closer here, as you can see, it has these doors on it. I love the doors. I love how you kind of get a peep inside, but it is private as well. So if you want to store books or board games and things like that on the inside, it is perfect. So I love that it is nice and flush. So there are no obvious handles on this. So all you have to do is just put your hand kind of in between the grooves and then pull, and it opens up here. It's nice, spacious, and deep. There are 2 storage shelves on each one. And let me show you guys what my husband loves best about this. I love the fact that it's nice, big, I can put my decor on it, but he loves it because, as you guys can see, he has his PS5 in here, and he gets really picky about his PlayStation and it being able to breathe and not overheating. So these venting or spaces really helps the items not to overheat. It also is perfect for running cables. So as you can see back there in the back, he has the cables running back through there and they just kind of fall back into the plug. So it's really seamless. Same thing down here on the bottom where he has his chargers or his little charging station. So there are pre-cut holes for all of your wiring. He loves that. In my old entertainment system, he had to create those holes. And there also wasn't any ventilation. So we actually had to take the door off of the TV stand just so his PlayStation can have, you know, some breathing room and not overheat. We did not have to do that with this one. So I love that. Again, nice and flush. You just pull to open up. Now, it does not have those cutouts in each one. It's only in the 2 center ones, which to me makes sense because it's kind of like right there in the middle, so all of the wiring can go to the same outlet, you know what I'm saying? So if you had like holes drilled here, then you would have to go in a different place to charge it. Hopefully that makes sense. but I love the wood tone. It looks nice and rich, and I love that it almost looks as if it's floating. Excuse my little dusty floors here, but there is space underneath. My husband did a great job wiring everything, so you don't see any wiring underneath here. Another thing my husband really loves about this stand was the fact that he didn't have to put it together, child. Like I told you guys in the previous vlog, I was gone to Huntsville when he picked up, well, when this was delivered. And so he stated that the whole top piece was already put together, shelves included. All he had to do was add these 2 legs on and it was good to go. You guys should be seeing the footage of him assembling it. So yes, I really, really love the way that this turned out. And that night when my lights are on, it looks so good. So let's see. Child, Google just tried to play me, so I had to go offline, snap on her real quick. But this is the lighting. So as you guys can see, he has like some strip lighting in the back, and so the ambiance just looks nice, cute, and sexy at night. So let me quickly go over the decor on this gorgeous piece. So all right, right here on the front, both of these 2 are from Home Goods. I have just added in this assorted green that I picked up. This is a real floral from Trader Joe's. I just have my book here, my Daring Greatly. We have our Google Home here. This is an older book that I got from the thrift store. It's all about ancient Egypt and like mummification and all of that. Really, really love that. But I felt like the colors were beautiful just to have it opened up here on the TV stand. And then over here, I just have, again, another thrifted book. This is like a textbook for me. If you are new here, I did teach high school science for 9 years. But fun fact, my original love was history. So I originally wanted to be a history teacher, but they told me that science teachers make more. So I quickly pivoted. Science is my second love. But anywho, it's lots of good stuff in this text. This was thrifted, and this book was thrifted as well. It is Steve Jobs, I believe, autobiography. I just have an old geode here, and then this mushroom style table lamp is old from Target. It is a desk lamp. I don't think it is available anymore. If it is, I will link it. Here is Zora. She is our house plant. We're doing okay. We're doing okay. We've had her for a while. I feel like she should have a little bit more growth, but there she is. The plant pot is from Home Goods as well. Any tips on helping her to continue to grow and thrive? As you can see, she's right here by the window, and I know these spots here are from extreme heat as well as the rolling. So we're more than likely probably going to move her, but I just really love the way that she looks against the TV stand. So anywho, hopefully I didn't bore y'all with all the information on the TV stand, but I am just obsessed. I love it. I feel like it fits the space perfectly. So again, if you're interested in this TV stand, make sure you click the link below to shop, and I will place my discount code on the screen for you guys, as well as in the description box down below.